Hi everyone, my name is Marcus. You probably found this video because you're trying to figure out why in Adobe Premiere Pro 2023, when you do a voiceover recording, your voice is getting echoed back to you. I'm going to show you where the setting is that controls that and how you can make it stop. So here I am in Adobe Premiere 2023. I have my timeline. I'm ready to do a voiceover recording. So I go over to the mute button and mute any audio tracks that are already in the timeline so that I don't have that audio playing out over the speakers getting picked up by the microphone. I just want the microphone to pick up my voice. I go into the timeline where I want to record my audio voiceover, and then I hit the voiceover record microphone button. Now this is something that you've done probably dozens of times or hundreds of times and never had an issue. Everything has always worked fine for you. It always worked fine for me. But periodically out of the blue, this happens. I hit the microphone button, wait for my timer to count down, and then now I'm recording my voice. But why is my voice coming back over the speakers and getting picked up by the mic and back over the speakers? It's not anything I've done. I did not change any settings. So let's go ahead and fix that. Alright, so the fix of that is pretty simple. We need to go up to Edit, and then select Preferences, then select Audio. And in the audio section, there is a line that says Mute Input During Timeline Recording. So I'm going to check that, and then select OK. And now let's go ahead and record another voiceover. So let's go ahead and fix that. That was the prior recording. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Hey, there's no echoing now after I hit that button. Let's go ahead and listen to that playback. On the plain. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Hey, there's no echoing now after I hit that button. Great, huh? So that is the solution. We just need to check that box. Now periodically this has happened to me probably 2 or 3 times in several years that I've used Adobe Premiere Pro where I don't think I've done anything to cause that box to get unchecked. So I'm assuming it's some sort of Adobe Premiere update that toggles that setting in the wrong direction. But that's the fix if it happens to you. So make sure to bookmark this video or save it and come back to it if it ever happens to you again. Thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.